This video was filmed in 2019 using our previous generation CRD device. Our current rescue kits use an updated device. This video is designed as a technical demo only and not designed to substitute for practical training. For more information on our rescue range, follow the links in the description.
The first task is to open the rescue equipment and remove what you need. Normally the rescue harness is stored at the top of the bag. Some rescue kits also come with a tagline. This can just be stored for now. The rescue harness has three main straps: the blue chest strap, the black leg strap, and the orange crotch strap. Undo the quick release buckles and make sure the harness is tidy and twist free. Get the blue chest section of the harness and place it round the Casualty, keeping it as high up as you can under the Casualty's armpits. Then connect the 3-bar and 2-bar blue buckles together to secure. Then get the black leg straps and place them under the Casualty's knees. Again, attach the 3-bar and 2-bar buckles together on the black webbing. Then pull the orange strap up between the Casualty's legs and attach orange to orange. Then pull the 3 tail ends of each of the sections of the harness to snug and secure. Next, we are going to secure the CRD to a structural anchor point. Remove the sling from the bag and find a suitable position to anchor it off that will allow you to raise and safely lower the Casualty. Remember, you will need to be able to reach the CRD when it is rigged to be able to haul up and lock the device, so don't have it too high. Remove the CRD from the bag and attach it to the anchor sling. Manually pull slack through the device so the live end reaches the Casualty. Connect the CRD rope connector to the anchor point on the Casualty harness. Then pull the excess slack back through the CRD till it becomes snug. Then put the control side of the rope up over the hook on the CRD, then into the locking cleat. If necessary, you can use the CRD to assist getting the Casualty out of the cab. When the Casualty is in a better position, it is possible to then double check all connections and straps before committing the Casualty to the system. Before removing any edge protection, secure yourself to a suitable anchor point in either work restraint or fall arrest. Make sure everything is neat and tidy. Remove handrails where necessary. Some platforms have abrasive edges. You can pad these out using the rescue bag. Raise the Casualty as much as needed to clear any obstructions using the CRD. If you have a tagline, attach this to the Casualty now. The tagline can be used by people on the ground to manoeuvre the Casualty into a position of safety at ground level. Position the Casualty on the edge, release the locking cleat on the CRD and safely lower the Casualty, making sure the rope is running over the bag where needed. Let the rope run through your hands, letting you control the speed of the descent. Descend the Casualty in a controlled manner to a position of safety.